Hello everyone, welcome back to Prince and Nikki's channel. Thank you for tuning in today and for sharing all the love on the videos that I've uploaded in the past week. As most of you know, we are in Ghana currently on the ground trying to push forward with getting some of the finishing stages started. I'll let the video play through and do a voiceover for different areas that may explain and help you a little bit longer. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. This one is around the electrical first fix. So we had multi-skill electrician come on site and he's helping us do the first fix for the sockets and switches. We are not doing any wiring at this stage until we have the home fully secure with electrical fencing and CCTV and things like that. So this is basically just the first stage of the electrical. But I hope you enjoy the video and you get a good understanding of what's going on. Any questions, do ask in the comments below.
The same subject.
Yeah. No. One.
No, it's subject. I'm just putting it there when we can we take the actual measurement.
No, so it's not 1.2 from the floor.
The number is
So
for him.
We are not using
No,
the subject.
1.2. That's 1.2.
Oh.
Let me show you. So 1.2.
Now that's the one you need to sort out, your media wall.
Yeah. There's some conduit boxes which is about 4 inches. So what this is, I want a conduit box that comes down about 350. Yeah. So because
So we will take the 2 inches out and
You want to show him the one on our current house on the wall?
it's about 300 will be fine. 300 will be fine because what it is, we want
Floating shelf.
Floating shelf.
Floating or standing, but you just make the provision for both.
Yeah, I think we start from 300. So if the socket is there. So we keep my keep unit is here. And I need on that conduit. I need a socket here for the TV.
when let's say you will be going to mount the TV.
Yeah, TV on the wall. So the socket for the TV.
We had 3, isn't it? We had 3. We had one for
Okay, so
aerials.
Sockets, TV cables, and
So
also this is the living room. So
HMI cable. So what I usually do is I make this 4-inch.
We call it 1.5 inch. It's a plumbing pipe.
Oh, so there's one. I'll show you. It's like what I don't know how you call it. It's a PVC conduit and it's white.
It's like a rectangle shape.
It's rectangular. So usually that's what I just run all the way here. So all my cable that
Do you have a picture of that?
It's in the current house we've got now. It's like a rectangle and the front face pops off, so you push the cables in and then you click the front onto it. That's how it works.
Only if we have it here. Or if we can get it.
Oh, we'll find a solution if not. Here we're just trying to explain the conduit box for them to purchase.
So the worktop. So if we have that's the finish of your worktop. So we'll have a counter built here. So if you say that's your top of your counter. So say the socket you start just about here. 1 meter. Yes. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, the socket to start that way. So we want one that side and then one this side.
We want to find a centre point because we want them so far in. Here we are in the kitchen area. What we're doing is just trying to set out where the island would be because we will need electrical socket on the island and power, plus the spacing needs to be correct for all the back wall where all the sockets and switches will be.
Can't even make it a bit wider for this space, but that's just an idea, isn't it?
More wider it is. So we'll have something. Where's the top? So we're gonna have something like that.
Prince, don't fall.
Yeah, yeah. Same thing. So that will be your island. So that's your island. Then the kitchen.
Turn off for me, please. My hands slipped.
So what we did here is we went through the whole house, marking out the TV, aerials, sockets and switches, making sure that we account for the tiling and any potential screening, to make sure that they're at the right height to meet the standards required in the Ghana Building Code, and to make sure that it's all ready for being age-proofed. Within the walls, they will use a cutter to make all the required cuts, and then they will put in a plastic box for us to run the cables to. You will notice there's no cables or pipes that's been run on the floor in any of the home. That's a decision that we've taken because we don't want the thick screening that ends up having to be done to cover all the pipe work. All of our wiring will be done from ceiling down. So in the later video that comes up, you will see how we explain to the electrician how we want it in terms of the wiring. So you'll see the chasing that they've done in the walls and how it branches out to different sockets and switches. This is to prevent spaghetti junction with all the pipe work and to prevent saving on materials for extra screening that's not necessarily required, just to cover the pipe work.
Like that.
Because it needs to be centralised, the plug sockets. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, let's say
No, it needs to be central to the wall.
So you want to center it?
No, that's not
to
central.
the wall.
You see the wall? The bed will be centralised to the middle of that wall.
Okay.
Yeah, so come.
Oh, you want?
Yeah, the bed. The bed will be central and then the plug sockets at either side.
Oh, because on the plan it's showing it's near the window.
Yeah, but we have it with bedside.
Let's measure the whole wall. Yeah.
I want the bed central and then the bedside tables at either side.
That's 4,800.
So we have done electrical setting out. They came out today and a multi-skilled electrician has just come and marked out the sockets and switches. There's the kitchen. There's the island. We just pretended by measuring it out so we can work it out. There's the kitchen area, double oven, dishwasher, and there's the dining. And then in all of the rooms for TVs, we've set out the TV wall, TV aerials, all those kind of things, socket. So There's the electricians. And we've had the plumber as well. That's the phone. So we've had the plumbers as well. So same thing upstairs on the balcony area. Socket. There's the plumber. There's the P&D guys. That's the masters at work. He asked if he should dance. And then this was a bit of a calculation today. We had to work out the sockets for their bed. Pretty much the same thing, setting out of the rooms. Then here on this wall here, I'm trying to stand away from the wind because there's a lot of crosswind. The way we design the windows is cross ventilation, so very windy, very noisy. I may even have to do a voiceover on this, but let's see how it goes. This wall here is built for storage, and then towards the end there's going to be media and water heater. So Prince will explain it is some kind of water setup. Like, you don't need water heater in every room, but he set it out here. The units are going to be 600 each. So there's the ones there. As you can hear probably on the video, it's very windy. And here's the one. You can actually see over there gate fabricated. So those guys are sanding the front gate and the back gate. So we're going to have the back gates on here potentially temporarily, but we may keep it. But for now, because we want to bring materials and stuff in, we need to put a gate on there because we want to leave Ghana and have the whole building secure. So fence walls, everything secure, and front and back doors if we find a nice door. I'm not going to rush it just for the sake of a door, but I'm hoping we can find something nice. So if anyone's got any shops that they know that are nice for front doors, that are not going to rust, hit me up and let me know. So yeah, that's where we are at the moment. The guys are doing the filling. Go down. I've been doing lots of filming today, so Prince has been directing and I've been the filming, so I'm behind the camera. Prince! Wave! He's tired. The master multi-skilled is here. And this is the filling. They're doing the filling now at the front to make sure that we're higher than the roadside. And that's day 2.